Good morning children. I hope class 9 children are watching this video and I hope you must be keeping well. As we have been doing polynomials, and under polynomials we had started factorization. Last day we had completed one exercise 3a. I hope you must have done in your notebook. Today we will see factorizing of difference of two squares and few solved examples we will see. So let's start. Here you see solved examples we have of factorizing the difference of two squares. So very simple examples are there. Here you see, if you remember this formula, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. This formula will be applied in factorization, and even I had told how this formula is derived. If you are multiplying a plus b into a minus b, just you multiply, you will get this a square minus b square. The same formula will be applied in factorization, and how it is applied you see. First example, you have x square minus y square by 100. So here you see what has been done. X square minus y square by 100, you have y square by 100. This can be written as y square by 10 square. 10 square is equal to 100, or it can be written as simply y by 10 whole square. So here you see x square minus y by 10 whole square, and this is in formula now a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So or you write a minus b into a plus b. Both are same. So x minus y by 10 a minus b into a plus b x plus y by 10. Since a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b, and finally you can write x square minus y square by 100 can be written as x minus y by 10 into x plus y by 10. Next example, you see 100 minus 9x square. Again 100 can be written as 100 minus 9x square. You have 100 can be written as 10 square minus 9 can be written as 3x whole square. 9 can be written as 3 square. Together if you are writing 3x whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b, 10 minus 3x into 10 plus 3x. In this way it will be factorized. Next you see 49x square minus 1 by 4. 49x square can be written as 7x whole square. 7 7 is 49, and minus 1 by 4 you have. This can be written as 1 by 2 whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So it will be a minus b into a plus b. 7x minus 1 by 2 into 7x plus 1 by 2, and this will be your answer. Next you see, here you have x cube minus x. X cube minus x. So in this x cube minus x, if you need to put formula, this is required to be represented or expressed in the form of a square minus b square. So for that what can be done, x can be taken out common, so you will be left with x square minus 1, and this can be written as x into x square minus 1 square. 1 can be written as 1 square. Now this is in formula, so this can be written as x minus 1 into x plus 1. So x into x minus 1 into x plus 1 will be answer for x cube minus x. In the same way, here you see 18a square x square minus 32. So how it will be solved? If you are taking out common 2, what you will be left with? 9a square x square minus 16. And 9a square x square can be written as 3 into a into x whole square minus 4 square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square, so a minus b into a plus b in that form has been factorized. Here you see 2a to the power 5 minus 32a. Again, what common can be taken out? 2a can be taken out common. 2a has been taken out common. You are left with a to the power 4 minus 16. So 2a to the power 4 minus 16 can be written as 2a square whole square, a square to the power 2 minus, this can be written as 4 4 is 16, so 4 square. Now you see this is in the form of a square minus b square, so it will be 2a into a square minus 4 into a square plus 4. So finally you will get 2a, again this can be written as a square minus 2 square and a square plus 4. Then 2a square minus 2 square, again this came in that form, a square minus b square, so it can be written as a minus 2 into a plus 2 and a square plus 4, and this will be your answer. Here you see 2a to the power 5 minus 32a is equal to 2a into a minus 2, a plus 2 and a square plus 4. Then here you see you have x square minus 1 minus 2a minus a square. So x square minus 1 minus 2a minus a square, what can be done? X square minus has been taken out common and you are left with 1 plus 2a plus a square. Now you see 1 plus 2a plus a square, it means what? It can be written as, you have 1 plus 2a plus a square. It can be written as 1 square plus 2 into 1 into a plus a square. It means what? A square plus 2ab plus b square. In this form it came. 1 can be written as 1 square, 2a can be written as 2 into 1 into a, and a square already you have. So now it came in formula, so this can be written as 1 plus a whole square, since this will be a plus b whole square. So this has been written as 1 plus a whole square. Here you see 1 plus a whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. So a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Here minus sign you have, if this is in bracket. So if you are writing without bracket, this minus will go in, so minus 1 and this will be minus a. So x minus 1 minus a into x plus 1 plus a. In this way this will be written. Next you see 1 plus 2ab minus a square plus b square. Again 1 minus has been taken out common from here. Here you have 1 plus 2ab minus a square plus b square. So if minus common, if you are taking out 1 minus, so you will be left with minus 2ab and plus a square plus b square. In this way you will write, and this will be 1 minus, it can be written as a square plus b square minus 2ab. Here you see, here plus sign you have, so a square plus b square we have written first, and then we have written minus 2ab. So a square plus b square minus 2ab is what? A minus b whole square. So now this came in formula again, this can be written as 1 square minus a minus b whole square. This you assume a and this you assume b. So a square minus b square means a minus b into a plus b. While doing this in sign, you must not be confused. Here you see how we will write 1 minus a minus b, means what we have written, a minus b, into a plus b, means 1 plus a minus b. This we have written. Now you see how we will write. This will be written as 1 minus a and plus b, and this will be 1 plus a minus b. So 1 minus a plus b into 1 plus a minus b. Here you see 1 minus a plus b into 1 plus a minus b. So while writing sign, you must be conscious that mistake must not be there. Here it will be minus a and it will become plus. Next you see x to the power 4 plus 4 you have. So this can be written as x square to the power 2 plus 2 square plus 2 into x square into 2 minus 2 into x square into 2. What has been done? Adding and subtracting 2x square, 2 into x square into 2. This you need to remember. Why it has been done? To get in formula, so that if you are writing this, this will be in formula, this will come in formula, x square plus 2 whole square and minus 4x square. So what has been done? 2x square into 2 if you are writing, means what? 4x square if you are writing. So simply what has been done? X to the power 4 plus 4 you had, and here it has been added 4x square and has been subtracted 4x square. So if you are adding and subtracting 4x square in this, value will not change. So simply why this has been done? To get into the formula, so that in formula it can be converted. So this 4x square has been written as 2 into x square into 2, and again this 4x square has been written as 2 into x square into 2. This you see a square plus b square plus 2ab, in this form it came, a square plus b square plus 2ab will be a plus b whole square. In place of a you have x square and place of b you have 2. So x square plus 2 whole square minus 4x square. Now x square plus 2 whole square minus 4x square can be written as minus this minus 2x whole square. Now this is in formula, a square minus b square. So this will be a minus b into a plus b. So x square minus 2, x square plus 2 minus 2x and x square plus 2 plus 2x. In this form it will come x square plus 2 minus 2x and x square plus 2 plus 2x, and this will be your answer. So in this type of questions you need to remember, or you need to practice how it is required to be solved. X square plus 4 by x square you have, the same thing will be required to be applied. Here 4, it means 2 into x into 2 by x is required to be added and subtracted to get in formula. Here you have x square plus 2 by x whole square. This can be written as 2 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 2 by x. So for getting into formula, to get formula, you need to remember this is required to be written by ourselves and this is required to be subtracted also, so that this can be written as in the formula. So for remembering that, or for knowing that, what is needed to be known, x square plus 4 by x square you have. So this can be written as x square plus 2 by x whole square. Now you see a square plus b square you have, a square plus b square you have. So simply what is required? Plus 2ab. So for getting plus 2ab, what is needed? You see 2 into a into b. So this thing you have done by yourself. So this is required to be subtracted also. 2 into x into 2 by x. The same thing has been done. So I think by seeing this itself you will know what will be required to be added, and if you are adding that you need to subtract also. Then you have x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1. Again here also these things are required to be practiced so that you will remember how it will be solved. X to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 you need to do, so that again we can get formula. And if 2 you are writing, it means what? 1 you had, but 2 you are writing, so 1 will be required to be subtracted. Or simply suppose here you see x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 1. So plus 1 and minus 1 you have done by yourself. Plus 1 and minus 1 has been done by yourself. So this 1 and 1 became 2 and this is minus 1. Now x to the power 4 can be written as x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. This can be written as x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square. This can be written as x square, means x square to the power 2 plus 1 by x square to the power 2. This we have written, plus 2 into x square into 1 by x square, because if you are cancelling you will get 2 only. Now you see this has come in formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. It means a plus b whole square. So here you see this can be written as a plus b whole square. Minus 1 you have, that can be written as minus 1 square. Now this come in formula, a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. A minus b you have, in place of a you have x square plus 1 by x square minus 1 and a plus b. Again here what we did over here to get formula, the same thing has been done over here also. So this can be simplified in that form and you will get x plus 1 by x minus 1 into x plus 1 by x plus 1, and finally that will be your answer. Next you see x to the power 4 plus x square y square plus y to the power 4. How it has been done? X to the power 4 plus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4. See here x square y square only you have. So this has been made 2x square y square, and that's why what is needed? X square y square is required to be subtracted. But this has come into formula, a square, this is in formula, you see how it will be written, this one x square to the power 2 plus 2x square into y square plus y square to the power 2. Now you see a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as a plus b whole square, x square plus y square and a plus b whole square you have got, x square plus y square to the power 2 minus this x square y square. Now this is in formula, a square minus b square, means a plus a minus b into a plus b. So this has been written. Here you see a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1. So a into a minus 1 minus b into b minus 1 will be equal to, this you multiply, a into a square minus a, b square minus into minus plus b. Then you have got a square minus b square minus a minus b, and then a square minus b square is equal to what? A minus b into a plus b minus a minus b. Now common can be taken out. Here you see a minus b you have, here also a minus b. A minus b has been taken out common. You will be left with a plus b minus 1, and this will be your answer. A minus b, a plus b minus 1. Next you see x to the power 4 plus 3x square plus 4. How we will solve this? X to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 4. Now this 4x square has been done by ourselves because we had only 3x square, but we have written 4x square. What is required to be done? X square is required to be subtracted. So minus x square has been written. Now this will be converted into formula. This will be written as, you have x to the power 4 plus 4x square plus 4. Now you see this can be written as x square to the power 2 plus 2 into x square, or 2 into x square into 2 plus 2 square. Now you see a square plus 2ab plus b square you have got. So this can be written as a plus b whole square. So x square plus 2 whole square you will get. Here you see x square plus 2 whole square minus x square. Now x square, this x square plus 2 whole square is there. X square plus 2 minus x means here you have a and here you have b. So a minus b into a plus b. So x square minus x plus 2 has been arranged and has been written. Otherwise this is also correct, but in standard form has been arranged and has been written. X square plus x plus 2. Next you see x to the power 4 plus 5x square plus 9. Again the same thing has been done. X square is required to be added on this, so that you will get formula, and here minus x square has been done. So this you see how you have got this one. X to the power 4 can be written as x square to the power 2. This you write 3 square. 3 square we have written. Now here what we will write? 2ab. 2ab means what? 2 into x square into 3. Now you see 2 3 just 6 x square. 9 has been written 3 square. X to the power 4 has been written x square to the power 2. Now this came in formula. A square plus 2ab plus b square means a plus b whole square, means a in place of a what you have x square plus b in place of b what you have 3. A plus b whole square you have got. And second one you have x square. Now this came in formula. A square minus b square. So a minus b into a plus b. That you write down and that will be your answer. Next you see x to the power 8 minus y to the power 8, and this is very important also for the exam. This can be written as x to the power 4 to the power 2 minus y to the power 4 to the power 2. Now here you see this you assume a is equal to x to the power 4 you assume, b is equal to y to the power 4. So a minus b into a plus b. Now again this x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 can be written as x square to the power 2 minus y square to the power 2. Again it came in formula a square minus b square. So this will be a minus b into a plus b. And again this came into formula a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. And this side you see what you are getting, x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. This x to the power 4 minus y to the power 4 you have factorized, you have reduced, and you have got this term. If this you are reducing x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4, what you will get? x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2x square y square. To get formula we have written, again this has been added and this is required to be subtracted also. So you have got x square plus y square whole square minus root under 2 xy whole square. Here you see how you will get this. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2x square y square you write first. So this will be x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus 2x square y square. This can be written as x square to the power 2 y square to the power 2 plus 2x square y square. Means what? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So this will be a plus b whole square, means x square plus y square whole square. So this you have got x square plus y square whole square. This 2x square y square, if together if you are writing 2x square y square you have, if together if you are writing, you will write root under 2xy whole square. Why? Because root 2 square is equal to 2. Root 2 square is equal to 2 and that's why it has been written root 2 xy whole square. So here this you have got a and this is your b. So a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b you have got, and finally this is your answer. So in this way this question is required to be solved. You go through, practice properly, because this is very important for exam also. 2x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square. Here you see how it has been solved. This is a and this is b. A minus b into a plus b. So 2x plus 1 by 3 whole square minus x minus 1 by 2 whole square, it has been written as 2x plus 1 by 3 plus x minus 1 by 2 and 2x plus 1 by 3 minus x minus 1 by 2. A plus b into a minus b. Now this has been simplified. 2x plus 1 by 3 plus x minus 1 by 2. So simply has been written, not simplified, simply has been written together, and this has been written together. See, minus you had, inside number you have x minus 1 by 2. So if minus will go, sign will change, minus x and plus 1 by 2 you will get. So that you have got. Then 3x plus, this has been simplified, the number what you have 1 by 3 and 1 by 2, here 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. So this simplification has been done. So simply that has been added and subtracted and you have got the answer. So 3x minus 1 by 6 into x plus 1 by 5, x plus 5 by 6. So this simplification you must do. Together also it can be done. Here itself it could be done. So here it has been done and you should be able to do this. So up to here I hope you understood, but again and again whichever questions are bit problematic or bit difficult, suppose question number 8 and then you have these questions, these all the question number 7, 8, 9 and yes, up to 7, 8, 9 are required to be revised again and again, required to be practiced again and again, so that if similar questions will be there you will be able to solve. And after doing this you start exercise 3b, and if any difficulty will be there, again you go through, solve examples. I think you will be able to solve. Otherwise you will see next day this exercise. Till then, thank you.